find it. It doesn't seem to be on any of these stations.
Keep looking.
Oh, you're going too slow. Let me take the wheel.
It's too fast. How could you even tell what's on?
I can tell.
There it is. Go back.
Too late. I'm in the 40s. Gotta go around the horn. Faster.
Well, hello there, folks. Welcome to Channel 7 News. It is your host, Ryan Armland, and we are here today to tell you that we have very important news for you guys. We have a double unboxing. We're going to get right into those right away for you guys, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere after the breaks. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ryan. Today I have a double unboxing for you guys. Matter of fact, we're gonna make it a quadruple unboxing. We have not two, not three, but 4 packages to get into. Got a nice little mail day, so we got 2 pairs of sneakers. They are Pixar themed sneakers. I've been wanting to see them in hand for a cool minute, so I'm really excited to get into that. We also got some vintage for you guys. We got 2 vintage packages. Both you may have never seen before, and I've never seen before, so I'm hyped to get into them, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open them up. So first we're gonna get into these vintage. So first we're gonna get into these vintage packages. I got 2 things to open up. One is from Instagram. I got through an Instagram vintage reseller. And then the other one is from Depop, actually. I got a Depop package right here. So we'll go ahead and open up the little guy first. I'm pretty sure I know what both of these are. The things that I've been waiting on for a while now. And me being a big old Pixar fan, man, after this video is pretty much mainly Pixar. Ooh, just the little tag hit. It's a real, somewhat rare tag right here. Yeah, Buena Vista International. I'm pretty sure this might be an employee exclusive shirt, or a production studio exclusive shirt. And we got the, I'm gonna just show y'all the back hit right away. Look at the back hit on this thing. So we got the vintage Monsters Inc promo tee. It has that right there on the back. Huge Mike Wazowski with the green eye. The colors are crazy on them. And then we also have the little chest hit. You know, it ain't a mullet without the little chest hit. And then on top of that, what sets it off to me, besides the huge back graphic, is this little Sully right here on the sleeve. It's just like such a dope little touch. Like, I've never seen this one before. So the second I saw it on Instagram, man, I hopped on it too quick. This one is fire. Colors are ridiculous, and I cannot wait to freaking wear this to Disneyland once it opens back up. Hopefully soon, but who knows. All right, package number 2. We're gonna slice them open. Slice him up. Let's see what we got going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is exactly what I thought it was, and I'm super excited for this too. It's really simple, it's nothing too crazy, but it's just a very meaningful movie to me in my childhood. So we got the red crew neck, and this is a Mighty Joe Young promo. So this movie, I believe, released in 1998, and I watched this thing on VHS on repeat my whole childhood. I watched this thing so much growing up. If you don't know what Mighty Joe Young is, go look it up. I'll throw up a little movie poster or trailer in here somewhere so y'all can see if you don't know what it is. People who do know, you know this movie is great, man. It's pretty underrated. It's not talked about very much within the Disney community and just with movie enthusiasts in general. Not sure why. It's a great movie, but it's got the Disney promotional products tag. So this is official movie promo for back when the movie released. But yeah, something slight, nothing too crazy. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the main event. The reason you are here. These Toy Story sneakers, man. We got 1. We got 2. Both pairs, not 1, but 2. We got both of these pairs. This is my first time seeing them in hand. Let's go ahead and slice these up. You see the box. You know what's going on. Bach boys. Got the Reeboks on deck. Oh, Kobe. Shoe number 2. Yippity-doo. What's good with you? Zippity-doo-dah-day. We got both pairs right here. There's 2 pairs. I don't know which is which, honestly, so we're just about to go ahead and get into this pair right here. Let's get it. Right off the bat, the packaging is ridiculous. I got these off of eBay, by the way. You have to win a raffle in order to get these sneakers. I didn't win that raffle, I didn't have luck, but they come in toy packaging. This folds over like so. And then you put the plastic in here, just like this. And then you put the shoes in the plastic. And you can hang it on your wall like an old school toy, which is so fire. Bait always kills it with the collab packaging and just the extra details. And you're about to see that with these freaking shoes. And ooh, this pair, the Buzz and Woody Reebok InstaPump Furies. Oh my gosh, bruh. They look insane. The colors and everything, it's like exactly what I imagined it'd be in person, if not more vibrant. These are so fire, and the craftsmanship is really nice. So we got the Woody pair right here. It has Woody's vest. It's just cowhide on it. It has the black and white imitation cowhide. And then it has that denim for Woody's jeans all over the underlay of the shoe. And it has just some yellow details just to make the colors pop. The back has Woody's sheriff's badge, which is fire as heck, just that detail. The attention to detail on these kicks is ridiculous. And then the pull tab, the front and back pull tabs represent Woody's little bandana that he wears around his neck. We have the same logo that's on Woody's belt buckle. Ridiculous detail. They got everything down to the T. Bottom is just the gum outsole. Super duper clean. Just really complements the right shoe very well. This is the right shoe, by the way. Then it has the InstaPump. So you can literally, there's no lacing system on these if you didn't know. The InstaPump is called that because you press this right here, you pump the shoes up, and these little veins, I'm not sure the exact word, I'm gonna just call them little veins, but these little air pockets, these veins, they fill up with air, and then that's how you get the shoe to tighten around your foot, and it conforms perfectly. And then you can press this, and then the air, it deflates these little air pockets. The inside of the shoe has the Woody's shirt print, so it's like a flannel, which is super dope. So the left shoe is Buzz Lightyear themed. It's completely like decked out in his Space Ranger suit. Has hazard stripes and hazard signage. It has the 3 buttons on this side, on the inside of the shoe. The red, green, and blue buttons, I believe. Yep, red, green, and blue buttons. Really nice detail though is it has Lightyear right here on the side. So it has that Buzz Lightyear name, just like he does on his spacesuit. On the back, just like Woody's, it has his logo. So instead of the sheriff's badge, we have the Space Ranger icon, which is so dope. We have the Space Ranger logo right there on the tongue, just like on the back. This one has a purple outsole. All purple, looks really nice, just like the gum bottom on the Woody side. Just complements the shoe very nice. Buzz's actual like spacesuit shoes, his Space Ranger shoes, actually are purple on the bottom, so that one's literally perfect. I guess Woody's are brown too, because Woody wears those brown cowboy boots, so that makes complete sense. And then just to add an extra little something on the inside, they didn't even have to do this. The outside of the shoes speak for themselves enough. But I know some of you guys are thinking like, man, if they had Andy on the outsole, that'd be it. But they didn't forget that, man. They just chose to do it on the inside. So we got Andy on both freaking shoe insoles, just like Andy would write on his toys' feet. He'd mark them as his, and he'd write his name on there, and he'd have that Andy with the backwards in and everything. The attention to detail, like, it's the actual same Andy font that he wrote on Woody, because on Woody, he was way younger when he had Woody, so he wrote the N backwards because he wasn't the best speller. Andy didn't do too good in school spelling bee, but it is what it is. And then on the Buzz pair, he got Buzz a little later in life, I believe. And so he has the correct N. So just that detail is like, man, I love these shoes. It's literally the movie in kicks. Like they just captured the feel and vibe of the movie and these characters so well in these sneakers. Like they literally did their thing. Honestly, I couldn't imagine it being any better to represent the characters in the movie Toy Story. So if you can't tell, they're a pretty loud shoe, so they're not for everybody, but they are definitely for me as a diehard Toy Story and Pixar fan. I just love crazy loud colors and sneakers in general, but so excited to have these in my collection, man. And this is only the first pair. For a second, I'm so excited about these, I forgot that we have a second pair to show you. This one, oh my. So we have the Green Army Man pair. These are pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but they represent the Green Army Man from Toy Story, which are Woody's little helpers. If you remember in the movie, they have the walkie-talkies, they do all of Woody's dirty work, and his special agent sneaking around the house work so that Andy's mom doesn't see him. So we got that camouflage that helps them do so. We have this army green color all over. It is have somewhat of like a shiny, patent, leathery looking material. I, for one, love these. I like to color block with clothes and shoes and sneakers and whatnot, so I love that it's just all solid green. And it's only right if they're gonna be Green Army Men. They're one solid color. There's not much you can do with these, but I personally think they did these the best way you can do them. Just simple, straightforward. These don't have anything on the tongue, nothing special. They just have a little Reebok stamp that's embossed. The backside though, these do have a dope back hit. Obviously the Green Army Men don't have an official logo, so they just went ahead and threw that Toy Story logo on the back of the shoe, which is really dope. Love that. It's green all around. There's not much to say about this pair. This was definitely the less favored pair. I personally like these just as much as the Buzz and Woody pair, just because I just feel like you have to complete the pack. Like the fact that they're together is just so dope. I love these, man.
I'd like to join your posse, boys, but first I'm gonna sing a little song. J Squad.
Boys, it's time for Woody's Roundup. He's the very best. He's the rootinest, tootinest cowboy in the Wild Wild West. That guy's go running whenever he's in town. He's the rootinest, tootinest, shootinest, hootinest cowboy around.
Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell if you want to be updated whenever I drop a new video. Be sure to drop a like. If you like this thing, go ahead and drop that like, you feel me? Comment below and let me know which pair is your favorite. Would you rock either? Would you rock one or the other? Would you rock none of them? Let me know. I want to know what you guys think about these. Shout out to Bait, Reebok, Toy Story, Disney. They killed these. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking in. Ryan checking out. Deuces. Love y'all. Have a great day. Peace.
Woody's